Hi there, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how you can make money by promoting affiliate products on MGID. So let's dive in.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are inside the dashboard of the Deberoo tracker, and in this video you will learn how you can make money by promoting affiliate products using the MGID platform. So we have quite a lot to discuss, so let's dive straight in. And first I want to show you the offer that we're gonna work with today. So today's offer is coming from Affiliax, and it is a insurance offer that we're gonna promote today. So insurance-rateusa.com. I had to think for a while, but insurance-rateusa.com. And it is an auto insurance, and it is a single opt-in flow, and we're going to promote it in the United States. Okay, so yeah, we have our tracking link here ready to go, but first let me show you the landing page, preview landing page. There we go. So this is Insurance Rate USA. All right, and they can get their free quote right here, answer a couple of questions, and then they will get a quote. All right. I'm not going to walk through the whole flow, but obviously I do recommend for you to do it just to see what kind of questions they ask and what the flow is on the offer page. Okay, so we're going to promote this offer. So first let's prepare our tracker for today's campaign. All right, so since we're promoting a product from Affiliax, we want to make sure that in our list of affiliate networks, we have added Affiliax. So mine is already in there, but in case Affiliax is not in your Deberoo tracker just yet, adding it is very easy. Click on Create and then on Affiliate Network and select Affiliax from the list of pre-set up networks right here. Click on Next and everything is pre-filled out. So all you have to do is select your workspace and click on Save. Okay, once you've done that, we also want to add the traffic source to our tracker. So today we are going to promote on MGID using their native ads. So we have to add MGID as a traffic source to our tracker. Okay, I already have MGID in here, but in case you don't, it's exactly the same. Click on Create, click on Traffic Source, select MGID from the list of pre-set up traffic sources. And once again, everything is pre-filled out. You do not have to change anything. You don't have to ask for parameters whatsoever. Everything is already there. Just select your workspace and click on Save. Okay, once you've done that and the affiliate network and the traffic source have been added to your Deberoo tracker, it is time to add the offer to our tracker. So we're going to go to the Offers tab right here, and we're going to create a new offer. There we go. First, we want to select the workspace again and the affiliate network, which is going to be Affiliax. There it is. The country tag, United States for this one. Then let's give this offer a name. So Insurance Rate USA. All right, there we go. And right here, we want to paste in the offer URL. So let's grab that from Affiliax. Inside Affiliax, it's called the tracking link, so don't get confused. Copy that and paste it in here. Whoops. There we go. And then underneath the offer URL, you will find this box, which will show you the parameter that you would have to add at the end of your offer URL. Okay? So I'm going to copy this parameter. And then before I paste it in behind my offer URL, first I want to enter a question mark. And after that question mark, I can paste in my parameter. Okay? Once you've done that, we're all good to go. So let's press Save. All right, the offer has been saved. Next up is the landing page. So first we need to create a landing page. So let's go to the Deberoo landing page builder. And we're going to take a look at the templates list, where you will find quite a lot of proven to convert landing page templates. Okay, we're going to filter by vertical, and I'm going to select the insurance. And right here we have 6 different templates for all kinds of insurance. So this is a listicle and this is a health insurance. We're not going to use those, but we still have choice from 4 different auto insurance advertorials. Okay, so let's say we want to use this one right here. I'm going to start with the geotag USA insurance Rate USA. There we go. All right. Cool. So now we have the template open inside the Deberoo landing page builder editor. And right here in the editor, we can make any changes that we want, okay? Whether it is the logo, the headline, the image, or pieces of text, or maybe the call to action, you can change whatever you want. You can also enter new blocks, etc., etc. And once you're done with fine-tuning your landing page, it is time to add the destination URL, which is very important because the destination URL is the URL where the user will go after clicking on any clickable on your landing page, okay? You can find the destination URL under the page info tab right here. And we want to paste in our click URL here. Okay, and you can grab your click URL from the Deberoo tracker. So let's go to the Deberoo tracker. I'm going to click on my name and go to the tracker settings. And then I'm going to go to the tracking URLs, and that's where you will find the click URL. So we're going to copy that, and then we go back to the landing page builder, and we're going to paste it in here. Click on change links. The links have been updated, which means that now any clickable on the landing page will redirect the user to the click URL and thus to the offer page, okay? And now it's time to publish this website, okay? So we're gonna publish it live, there we go. And I'm gonna copy this landing page URL or S3 link or whatever you wanna call it. And then we go back into the Deberoo tracker and we're going to add our lander to the tracker. So I'm going to go to the tab Landers, click on Create and click on Lander. Then first we want to select the workspace once again. If you're having multiple teams in your business, multiple colleagues in your business that use the same tracker, it is important to select the right workspace. I'm using the initial one. Then we have the country tag, United States of course, and let's give this lander a name. Insurance Rate USA. I like to have the affiliate network in there, so affiliates, there we go. Then we have the lander URL, we're gonna paste it in there, and that's all we have to do. So let's press save. All right, so by now you should have added the affiliate network, the traffic source, the offer, and the lander to your Deberoo tracker, which means that we now have everything in place and we can start creating our campaign. Okay, so let's go to the campaigns tab and we're going to create a new campaign. I'm using the campaign simple option. First select the workspace and the traffic source, which is going to be MGID. Then the country tag, United States. And let's give this campaign a name, so Insurance Rate USA. And once again, I like to have personally affiliates in that. Cost model, I'm leaving that to auto, and the transition between ad and campaign funnel, I'm going to set that on redirect. So this is the transition from the ad. When the user clicks on the ad, how do you want the transition to be to the landing page? Okay, I want that to be a redirect. Then we have the campaign destination. So we're going to create a path, and the path destination, we're using both a landing page and an offer page. And the transition from the landing page to the offer page, I want that to be a 302 redirect. Then right here we have the landers and the offers. So we're going to use one lander and one offer. Of course, if you want to split test your landing pages or your offer pages, you can just create more. But we just have added one offer page and one landing page, so we're going to use those two. So let's see, insurance, that's the one. And another insurance, that's the one. Perfect. Let's save this. All right. The campaign has now been saved, which is great. And we now have our campaign URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this campaign URL because we're going to need it a little bit later on in MGID. And now that I have copied it, let's actually go to MGID so that we can start creating our campaign and our ads, etc. So I'm going to click on Add Campaign. All right. First, we want to give the campaign a name. So I'm going to start with USA, Insurance Rates USA Affiliates. All right, so that's what I'm calling my campaign. The campaign type is going to be a product promotions, and the campaign category could be automotive, but let's see if there is something like insurance. Let's see. Personal finance, maybe. Insurance. There we go. Campaign language is going to be English, and then we have the block before show. So when the block before show is turned off, that will mean that your ads will go live as soon as MGID has approved your ads, okay? If you turn this on, it will mean that your campaign will stay paused after the validation of the MGID team, and you will launch your campaign yourself. So it won't go live until you hit that launch button. Then we have the targeting. All right, so we're going to start with the geo-targeting. Pretty straightforward. We're going to go with the United States. So we're going to add the USA. All right, there we go. All good. If you want, you can also now select specific regions of the US as well as specific states of the US that you want to include or exclude from your campaign. At the start of my campaign, I'm not going to do this. However, when I have captured enough data and I have analyzed that data and I see specific states or specific regions aren't performing well or outperforming the others, which is also an option, then I can start play around with the regions and the targeting there. For now, we're going to do the complete USA. Then we have the browsers. I'm not going to start with targeting specific browsers. Once again, I want to generate data first. Then we have the targeting operating systems. So right here, you can choose whether you want to run desktop, mobile, tablet, or smart TV. And if you want, you can also be more specific with Android or iOS, or even specific operating system versions. Okay, so this is quite a deep optimization. Android and iOS is also part of the optimization that will come later. First, I need to have data. However, we could say that we want this campaign to be a mobile campaign. Okay, so that is an option. So then we just do mobile operating systems. Then we have the browser language targeting. I'm going to set that to English to make sure that everybody who receives my ads can actually read my ads. The mobile connection, I'm not going to mess with that at the start of my campaign. Once again, I need some data for this. And the audiences, so if you have saved audiences to your MGID account, you can target them right here with this campaign, or you can create a new audience. But I don't have any audiences, and let's just continue. All right. Next up is the scheduling. So I'm not going to use this at the start of my campaign for the same reason as I've mentioned on the targeting before. I need some data before I can actually accurately tell which days and which hours will work and which don't. Okay, so I'm not going to start using this. However, later on during the deep optimization, I might want to deselect specific days or specific hours, or even specific hours on specific days if I notice with the data that they don't perform well. Okay, next up is the limits. So we can set limits by clicks, budget, conversions, or unlimited. I'm using the budget limit. So we can set a daily limit as well as an overall limit. So let's set the daily limit on 250. I'm not using an overall limit. I'll keep it unlimited. All right, then we have do not show all teasers by campaign after conversions to action. I'm gonna not check that, but I am gonna check this box. Split the box evenly throughout. Split the budget evenly throughout the day. This will make sure that not your complete daily budget will get spent in the first couple hours of the day, and it will spread that budget so that you also receive data of the full day instead of the first couple hours. And we have the tracking tags. We're going to skip that for now. And the same with the MGID conversion tracking. You want to set this up, but for now we're going to skip this. If you want, you can create a duplicant push campaign. I would not recommend it if you're just starting out this campaign. However, if you notice that there's a lot of traction and you want to scale it to a different ad format, it's a very nice feature that you can just duplicate this campaign to a push campaign. All right, let's save this. Save and continue. And now we are going to create our ads, okay? There we go. All right, here we are. So first we have the URL. So this is going to be your campaign URL. So just paste in the URL that we just copied from the tracker. Then we have the title. So this is going to be the headline of your ad. So let's say shocking insurance companies don't want you to know this. There we go. All right. Then we have the image. So let's open up Canva. I'm using the 1200 by 900 dimensions. As inside of MGID, we can always crop it in different styles, which we'll see in a second. So let's see, auto insurance. What kind of pictures do we get? All right. So these search terms, sometimes even with the craziest search terms, you will find the best images. So don't go too boring. Car insurance, auto insurance might be a too boring search option. All right. So as you can see, quite some stock pictures, not really the pictures that I'm looking for anyway. This might be a good picture, but let's see. Car insurance savings. All right. Let's see. Road to savings. Kind of like this one. I actually do. Okay, let's try to use this one. All right, and we're gonna see if we can make that red of the car pop out a little bit more, because if we can, that would be great. And also this picture, even though it's a stock picture, so maybe I wouldn't use it because of that reason, but I still kind of like it. All right, so let's see what we can do with this. I'm gonna put the contrast up, the saturation up as well. Look, that car starts to get bright red. So we can just put the saturation on 100 on this image. That's not the case for every image. So just play around with these buttons until you feel like, okay, this is how it should be and how it pops the most. Put a little bit more contrast on it, a little less brightness. Okay, there we go. I kind of like that. All right, let's download this. All right, and then we are going to upload it inside of the MGID campaign. It's going to be Untitled Design 7, that one. Perfect. All right, so first we have the rectangular image and we have the square image. This is what I meant with you still have to crop it inside MGID. For the rectangular, I'm just going to make it as big as possible and do it like that. And for the square one, I'm also going to make it as big as possible and do it like that. All right, cool, awesome. All right, and then right here we have the CPC. We just use the recommended, so that's fine. And then obviously you want to create multiple ads to test different images, test different headlines, etc. So you can just click on save and add a new ad and keep on doing that until you have added all the ads that you wanted to add, all the creatives that you wanted to add. And once you're done, click on save and go to the ads list, which is what we're going to do right now. And then you will get redirected right here. Okay, so this is where you get an overview of all the creatives that you have created. MGID will then validate your ads to see if it complies with their rules. If it does, it will either go live immediately or it will stay paused until you hit that launch button, depending on your settings. All right. And the verification process goes pretty quick on MGID. During business hours, it's usually within 30 minutes. So the process is quite quick. So you could be launching your campaign the same day as you created it and start earning some money. All right. So you now know how you can make money by promoting affiliate products on MGID using their native ads. All right. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, the Deberoo channel, if you want to stay updated about any new videos. So that's going to be it for this one. I wish you all the luck in the world with your MGID campaigns, and then I will catch you in next time. Till then, peace out.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.